Today I am going to demonstrate how to use the Melitta One-Cup Coffee Maker. The first step is bringing 1 cup of water to a boil. While the water is boiling, place the Melitta One-Cup Coffee Maker on top of your coffee cup. Using the Melitta No. 2 coffee filters, place one of the coffee filters into the 1-cup coffee maker. The good thing about the Melitta One-Cup Coffee Maker is that you can use regular ground coffee beans with it. So it's the convenience of making a cup of instant coffee, but the quality of fresh ground coffee beans. Pour the desired amount of coffee grounds into the filter and 1-cup coffee maker. After your water boils, slowly pour the boiling or boiled water over the coffee grounds. The coffee begins to filter through just like it would in a coffee pot. When the coffee has finished filtering through, you have the perfect cup of fresh brewed coffee.